Hello and welcome to another payboxtimer website navigation video. Today we're looking at our Devices tab. We can add or remove our Paybox devices with the Devices tab. I click on the Add Device button and this page appears. From here, we will enter in our Paybox information. The first thing I have to do is enter a label or name for my Paybox machine. The generic name washer-dryer will always appear, but we can edit that and label or name our device whatever we want. I'm simply calling this washer. Next, I'm going to add the Paybox machine number, which you can find at the front of your Paybox device. And now I click Add, and my washer has been added. So let's go through that one more time. I'm going to add a device and then label it. This time I'm going to call it the dryer and enter in my Paybox machine number. And then I hit save. And now my second device has been added, and we can see that in my list of added devices. If we have to delete a device, that is a very easy process. We're simply going to select it, click on Delete, and then Confirm. And now my device has been deleted. For more information, you can visit us at limitedresources.us or payboxtimer.com. You can also call us at 1-647-931-1829. Thank you very much and have a great day.